Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Discord verification code not received. Now your verification code may be sent through emails, SMS or authenticator apps depending on your settings. If you didn't receive through email, check your spam or junk folder, search for Discord in your email inbox and ensure you entered the correct email address, or just wait a few minutes. If nothing happens, try resending the code. For SMS, ensure your number is entered correctly with the right country code. Make sure your network is working and not blocking shortcodes. Then restart your phone and try again, and avoid multiple rapid attempts. Now, if it's an authenticator app, make sure your time is set automatic, as authenticator apps are time sensitive. Open your authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code. If you have your email address on another phone or on two phones at the same time, try using the other phone to verify. Sometimes it just does like that. And if nothing works after you try everything, it still doesn't work, contact Discord support. They will help you fix your issue. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.